Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your GMC Acadia key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. It's also a good idea to have your owner's manual handy for any specific details about your model. This preparation ensures a smooth programming experience. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the door unlock button located on the driver's side door panel. While holding this button, quickly cycle the ignition from off to on 2 times within a 5-second period. This action prepares your vehicle for programming. Once your vehicle chimes or the doors lock, release the door unlock button. Now, take the first key fob you want to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on that fob. Continue holding them until the vehicle responds with another chime or the doors lock again. This confirms that the first key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional key fobs, repeat the previous step for each one, pressing their lock and unlock buttons until the vehicle responds. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition to the off position to exit the programming mode. Finally, test each programmed key fob to ensure all functions like locking and unlocking work correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.